this is HUADAI from Mass Communication. Here I'm again with another video. Here I'm again with another VR. This time I have Meta Quest 3S for you guys. So in this case, in this video, I'm gonna do a verdict of this product. I've been using for a couple of weeks this one. In previously I have used different VR. In my case, when this price range in United States could be $299 and in European market 329 euros. Is this worthy for or not? So in this case I say totally worthy. The lens could be hazy some moments, so some aspect you may not see clearly in this case, but everything else is lovely. The controller, in this case here, the controller, they're really good controller. They don't lag as before. Other things, you can use them pretty simple, very fast, effective way. Videos appear pretty clear. Resolution is good. Gonna tell you resolution another factor. And quite comfortable. Only one complaint, the charging doesn't last long, but expensive VR. The Meta 3 is more expensive, 550 in European markets. In American could be $500. That also has problem with the battery. So in this case, more or less, so is it worthy or not? So if you are first time user of VR, this is perfect for you. You want to buy for your child, want to give as a gift, in that case is perfect. But you already have another VR headset 2 or other version of VR or other companies VR or using VR by your phone. In that case, better go for 3 version, Meta Quest 3 or other VR you have, PlayStation or other version more clear. But if you want cheaper version, so depend on the preference and the choices. In this case, I'm gonna use this one, and the same time I'm gonna order 3 to make more video, 3 for my personal users in this case. Okay guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. If you like this segment, please give me a thumbs up. Take care till then, bye bye.